Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to fix App Store cannot connect, something went wrong, try again later. If you're using App Store or iPhone or you're having this type issue that your App Store cannot connect, so let's see how can you easily fix that issue. First of all, you have to make sure that you have a stable internet connection. It might be your cellular or Wi-Fi. So you have to try to enable your airplane mode. Then briefly disable it after 5 or 10 seconds. It will make a quick refresh into your network settings. Once you have that, you have to try to open up your app store again. It might be that your problem will be fixed, but if it doesn't, you have to open up your settings. In settings, go for general, and here you have to make sure that you are not connected to any VPN. If you're connected to any VPN, so you must have to try to disconnect. Once you have disconnected, you have to open up your general section, and here select date and time, and you have to make sure that you have selected the correct time zone for your phone. Once you have selected, you can really search from here, and once you have selected, you have to simply enable the set automatically, and it will set your time or date automatically. And after doing that, you have to go back, and here you have to make sure that you have enough storage in your iPhone. So after checking this, you have to check your software update if there is any software update available. So you have to try to update your system software, and after doing that, you must have to go back and try it again to open your app store. But if it didn't work, so what you have to do now, you have to make try to force restart your phone. So not below that, you have to quickly press and release your volume up, then volume down, then press and hold your power button and wait for your screen goes fully black. So let's try this. Quickly press and release volume up, volume down, then press and hold your power button and wait for your screen goes fully black. So it might take a while, so you must have to wait for it. And once you get the black screen, you have to wait for the Apple logo here. And once you get the Apple logo, you have to release the button and wait for your phone restarting. And once your phone has been restarted, you can easily use your app store. It will fix your issue. So in this way, you can easily fix the app store cannot connect. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.